So today we've been taking off all of the old plaster that's on the walls in the living room because it was all rubbish and crumbly. So we're going to move that ladder, yeah. We're going to put all new insulated plasterboard on the exterior walls and then new plasterboard on the interior walls. Get it skimmed. We need to get the first fix of electrics in first before we do that. But yeah, it's coming along. It's a bit of a pain in the arse to get off, but we're getting there. How are you getting on, Jess?
I'm hot.
Also today we had the door, the old door that led to the utility room bricked up, and we cut open a new door to enter the utility room. So yeah, new door, so you'll get through to the utility room through that door, and then eventually, let me just turn you around, be putting a stud wall up here. Stud wall up here for the downstairs toilet, with a door going through from the utility room. Plasterboard, insulated plasterboard, has now been put up in the entrance hall, and we got some lights, first fix down here. First fix there. So yeah, this basically just needs skimming, and the staircase has been ordered, so staircase will be in the next 2-3 weeks, and then we'll chuck that in. Then entrance hall's pretty much done. I have got dust all over my face. Also, if you're wondering where all this hardcore is going, we have a humongous hardcore pile at the bottom of the garden, which eventually will be turned into a garage sort of thing, maybe summer house, gym, garage. But yeah, that's where all the hardcore's been going, so shipping it up and down the bloody garden. So yeah, that was just a quick sneak peek into our day renovating today. It's been about 30 degrees all day. It's been absolutely boiling hot, sweaty, dusty, horrible. These things have got to be done. So we're back at my parents' house now, which is where we've been staying for the last year while we get this bloody house renovated. So yeah, back, showered, dinner, time for bed, and then we get back on it tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more updates.